While walking along, she suddenly fell into an open drain. Mom, I think I just heard my sister screaming for help from down there. Sweetheart, are you down there? Mom, I fell in. I'm really scared. The water is super dark, filthy, and it smells horrible. Mom, please pull me up. Hurry! Baby, grab Mom's hand tight. Oh no, I can't pull you up. Don't be scared, baby. Mom will figure something out right now. Sir, could you please lend me your rope? I need to save my child. Baby, hold the rope tight. I'm pulling you up right now. You were walking and playing on that game machine. That's why you fell, right? Mom, I promise I'll never play on a game machine while walking again. Dad is the real hero. He works day and night in the heat just to see us happy. If you love your dad, hit like, subscribe, and comment. I love you, Papa.